Right, so I'm going to teach you how to make a pelican here, and what you're going to need is some scissors and some paper. So the first thing you do is you get your paper, you fold it so it's directly with that, and then you crease it. Got the word wrong there. So you've got something like this. Then you get your scissors and then cut along this here. Ooh. So you end up with something looking like this. Then what you do is, because you've got your bit folded like that for you, you get this and then you make your kite position. So you get something looking like this, and then you do the exact same on the other side. Then you get something like this. When you've done that, you do the exact same, apart from it's coming on the inside. So it goes like that. So you end up with looking something like that. Then what you do is you get this and fold it there like that. So you got something like that. I'm just going to do that right now. And then however you want your head to be, I'm going to do mine there because I want my head to be as big as that. You fold it down to as big as what your head wants to be. So I'm going to do mine like this, and then you end up with something looking like this. What you do then is you get this, and then you've got this crease here. You fold landscapely across that. So you've got something like this. You fold these flaps down. So these ones here. Do it again on the other side. Here's the magic bit. You poke your head up now. So you open it up, and then you put this inside. Then what you do is you take this up, and then you should, if you're careful, you put your thumb in there, push that down, there, and then you design it, and then there's your pelican.